There are 2 breaths that can drop your heart rate, calm your nervous system, and end a panic spiral in under 90 seconds. Stanford has the data. Question 4 has known it for years. Welcome back. I'm Dr. Lisa, and this is Science Backed, Soul Supported, Day 5 of Week 2 of the 7 Mindful Questions. Breathe before you decide. We've walked, we've drawn, we've written, and today we breathe. All week we've been talking about the pause, but we have not yet talked about the body that's doing the pause. Today we go to the physiology because question 4 isn't just a mental practice, it's a nervous system event. Let me tell you about a breath that's changed how I teach this material. In 2023, neuroscientist Andrew Huberman at Stanford and his colleague Dr. Jack Feldman at UCLA published research in the journal Cell Reports Medicine on a breathing pattern they call the cyclic sigh, more popularly known as the physiological sigh. You may have done it last month when we talked about it, or you may have done it without even knowing. It's what your body does spontaneously when you cry. And it's also how children settle themselves to sleep. 2 short inhales through the nose, stacked on top of each other, followed by 1 really long exhale through the mouth. Here's what's happening. The first inhale fills the upper lungs, and the second inhale pops open the small air sacs called the alveoli that have collapsed during stress. The long exhale dumps CO2, carbon dioxide, and engages the parasympathetic nervous system through the vagus nerve. The result is a measurable drop in heart rate and a fast shift out of fight or flight. I want this to be one of your primary tools when you get triggered. So let's try it together. Breathe in, sniff, and breathe out slowly. Their study showed that 5 minutes of daily cyclic sighing produced significantly lower stress and improved mood more effectively than any other breathing practices and mindfulness meditation in the comparison group. How about that? 5 minutes, and I know everyone has 5 minutes. This sits on top of decades of polyvagal theory developed by Dr. Stephen Porges. Porges' work mapped how the vagus nerve, the longest cranial nerve in your body that runs from your brainstem down your face, throat, heart, lungs, and gut, and is the master regulator of your nervous system. The slow exhale activates that ventral vagal branch, the branch responsible for safety, connection, and calm. Translation. When 7 Mindful Questions says pause and breathe, it's not a poetic suggestion. It's physiological prescription. 2 breaths with a sniff, the right way, change your biology. And that's why I built question 4 exactly the way that I did. The pause is not a cognitive trick. It's a vagal event. It's the body coming back online. And from a regulated body, you can answer what else should I be doing with clarity that you cannot access from a body in stress. Tomorrow afternoon at 4:01 p.m. Eastern is the new moon, the deepest cosmic pause of the month. The sky itself will be doing what we've been practicing all week. Tomorrow's video will go all the way into that energy. Tonight, set the body up. Here's your challenge. Right now, before you scroll on, 2 short inhales through the nose, stacked. Let's go. Do it 3 times and notice what your body does. This is question 4 in your physiology. We're heading into new moon weekend, and the breath we just practiced is the doorway in. The book has the full breathing protocol, and the June 10th mini workshop walks you through all of it, and both links are below. If this hit you, hit like, comment with how you feel after the 3 sighs, subscribe, share, click the little bell thing, and share with someone who you know their nervous system's been on fire. See you tomorrow. And, beside today, when was the last time you took a really full breath?